Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you how to copy and paste text on a Word document. So let's get started. If I want to copy this line and then paste this line again on this document or somewhere on another document, I will just select this line. And then right click and then copy, and then right click and then paste. This is how we copy and paste text or in a Word document, on the same Word document, or somewhere else in another Word document. This is how we do by using the mouse left and right keys. There is also another way or shortcut by using the keyboard keys. If you want to copy this line, you would select this line and then press Ctrl plus C. This has copied the selected text. Now I want to paste this text somewhere else. Here, for example, I will press Ctrl plus V. This is how I pasted the copied text in another place. I hope I am clear with this lecture. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.